How to change SIM card pin on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is connections. Click on connections. After click on connections, scroll down and click on SIM manager. After click on SIM manager, so click on more SIM settings. After click on more SIM settings, click on SIM card security. After click on SIM card security, click on, if you want to change SIM card pin, click on change SIM card pin, enter your old pin, and if you want to change SIM pin, so enter your new pin. And if you want to change, so select SIM pin, click on OK. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change SIM card pin on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.